I've always been studying microbiology and immunology. That was my major in college, and I actually went through college during COVID. So my first year I was studying these things, and then I got sent home, and then the things I was studying suddenly became the things on the news. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna stick with this. And then I went back in person, started working in a virus lab on campus, did research on West Nile virus, SARS-CoV-2, other viruses like that. And then once I graduated from UCLA, I moved here and I started working at the Doudna lab at UCSF. Me and my postdoc, Jason Naumberg, are currently working on a large drug screen using VLPs, which are virus-like particles. We get drugs from another group in AViDD, and we go through each drug. We infect a certain cell type with these drugs, and then we add the virus-like particles to these to see how these drugs affect the assembly of the viruses. So the results of this drug screen could potentially lead to new therapeutic agents and targets for the treatment of SARS-CoV-2 and the disease that causes COVID-19. So that's pretty cool.